Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Goose. Today we are diving into the world of washing machines with our roundup of the top 5 models for 2024. Whether you are upgrading your old machine or buying one for the first time, we have got you covered. We will break down the features, pros and cons of each model to help you find the perfect fit for your home. So let's get started and find out which washing machine is right for you. In 2024, washing machine technology saw some impressive upgrades that make laundry easier and more efficient. Here are the advancements. First, AI-powered washing. New washing machines now use artificial intelligence to automatically adjust settings based on the load size, fabric type, and dirt level. This means better cleaning and less guesswork for you. Second, eco-friendly features. Many machines are designed to use less water and energy, thanks to advancements in sensors and smart controls. This helps save on utility bills and is better for the environment. Third, faster wash cycles. Improved motors and water flow systems have cut down wash times significantly, so you can get your laundry done quicker without sacrificing cleanliness. Fourth, smart connectivity. Most new models come with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to start, stop, and monitor your laundry from your smartphone, even when you are not at home. These advancements make washing machines in 2024 more user-friendly, efficient, and environmentally conscious, giving you cleaner clothes with less hassle. Segment 1, Samsung AI Smart Washer. First up is the Samsung AI Smart Washer. This machine is like the smartphone of washing machines. It's packed with AI technology that learns your laundry habits over time and even suggests the best wash cycle for your load. Let's break it down. Pros. First, AI-powered efficiency. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Second, energy and water efficient, helps save on bills. Third, quiet operation, perfect for open-plan living. Cons. First, pricey. You're definitely paying for all those high-tech features. Second, learning curve. It might take some time to get used to all the settings. If you're into tech and love having the latest gadgets, the Samsung AI Smart Washer is a top pick. But if simplicity is more your style, hang tight, we've got more options. Segment 2, LG TWINWash. Next, we have the LG TWINWash. This one's for all the multitaskers out there. Imagine washing your colors and whites at the same time, no more separating loads or waiting for one to finish. Here's what you need to know. Pros. First, dual load capability. Save time by running 2 loads simultaneously. Second, large capacity, great for big families. Third, stylish design. It's a real showpiece in any laundry room. Cons. First, takes up more space. You'll need a bit more room for this setup. Second, pricey. You're paying for that extra functionality. If you've got a big family or just love saving time, the LG TWINWash might just be your new best friend. Segment 3, Whirlpool Top Load Washer. Third on our list is the Whirlpool Top Load Washer with a 2-in-1 removable agitator. This one's all about flexibility. Need more space for bulky items? Just remove the agitator. Want a deep clean? Pop it back in? Let's weigh it out. Pros. First, customizable wash options. Switch between agitator and impeller modes. Second, affordable. Great value for the features. Third, easy to use, straightforward controls. Cons. First, top load. Might not be as gentle on clothes as front loaders. Second, basic design. Not the most stylish option. This one's perfect if you like having options without breaking the bank. Plus, it's super easy to use. Segment 4, Bosch 800 Series Front Load Washer. Coming in at number 4 is the Bosch 800 Series Front Load Washer. If you're short on space but big on clean, this compact powerhouse is a dream come true. And it's not just small, it's efficient. Here's the lowdown. Pros. First, compact design, perfect for small spaces. Second, energy efficient, uses less water and power. Third, quiet performance, great for apartments. Cons. First, smaller capacity, not ideal for large families. Second, longer wash times, efficiency can take time. For those with limited space, the Bosch 800 series is a top contender. It's proof that good things come in small packages. Segment 5, GE ULTRAFRESH Vent System Front Load Washer. Last but not least, we have the GE ULTRAFRESH Vent System Front Load Washer. No more musty smells, thanks to its innovative vent system that keeps the washer fresh and clean between loads. Check this out. Pros. First, UltraFresh vent system keeps your washer odor-free. Second, large capacity, great for big households. Third, smart features, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control. Cons. First, higher price point. You're paying for those extra features. Second, bulky design. It takes up a bit more space. If you're tired of dealing with musty odors, this GE model could be a game changer for you. Plus, those smart features make laundry day even easier. So, there you have it, the top 5 washing machines of 2024. Whether you're all about high-tech features, saving time, or just want something that fits your space, there's a machine on this list for you. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And hey, why not subscribe for more home appliance reviews and tips? Thanks for watching.